place you gotta get. I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. 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 Hurry! Dora and Boots want to know the quickest way to Dora's house. Well, I know the quickest way. First, you go around the red bush. Then go through the nutty forest. And that's how you get to Dora's house. So you tell Dora. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Say it with me. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house.
How do we get to my house? Bush, forest, Dora's house. Mi casa. We go around the red bush, through the nutty forest, and that's how we get to my house. Thanks for helping. Do you see the red bush? Right, there it is. Let's go warn everyone that the big storm cloud is coming. Come on, say it with us. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Dora's house. 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 Dora's house. Rain, rain, rain. Dora, do you hear that? It sounds like the big storm cloud. It's gonna try and rain on us. Will you watch out for the big storm cloud? If you see the big storm cloud, yell storm. What's that? You see the big storm cloud? Ha ha! Gonna rain on you! Oh, you're